You got a toy? Such a dork. Yeah, so starting this video off, obviously you just saw me install an alternator, and that's the same alternator we took off the truck, and it's fixed. Woohoo! I have no idea, man. We'll explain it in a second. I'm letting the truck sit and idle. Ignore that marker light. Had nothing to do with the marker light. Where's the other one? Somehow that Chinese marker light died after no time, so I need to wire in this new housing so I can actually have a functioning marker light on that side, turn signal, whatever you want to call it. But everything's working. We're charging at, I mean, with all the rock lights and wheel lights on. Look at that, I got the red light on. Yeah, all right, so what are we charging at? We are charging at 14.4, 14.3 with all the lights on. Yeah, we're gonna take that. Super stoked. So I'm gonna let this thing idle a little bit longer, shut it off, and we finally got some panels. So you know what that means. Let's skin a powder coating booth. So I run the camera into that. It's about 11 o'clock at night, so I'm turning off these backlights. I'm making way too much noise. And honestly, it's one of those nights I just don't care. I got a bunch more white panel. We talked about that before. So we saw time lapse. Got that wall up. Actually, I don't know if I time-lapsed that with the wife helping me, but yeah. We got this thing skinned roughly. There is no braces here, so obviously you notice it's a little wobbly. I'm gonna run a cross brace there. I have plenty of 2x4s. Same on this side, a little wobbly right there. I just need to cross brace it there. I did not run those cross braces just yet because of a multitude of things. One, I'm gonna cheap out on the dust filtration again, and I'm gonna do a box fan and probably a box fan on that side. I'm torn. I don't know. I might do, and see, that's why I haven't done any of this yet. I might do a box fan upper and lower, and then leave this side to try and keep the dust from coming this way. And like I said, I got panels, got to finish that lower section, get all this stuff put back, and then I'm thinking we're gonna go right to left and hang the powder that way in the little divided containers that I have downstairs. There's a couple little gaps. Like I said, I could have just lifted that panel up. I'm no construction guy, so we're gonna be spray foaming most of those gaps. You saw this thing, no problem, holds my weight. I don't think I can do that one-handed. And I honestly don't want to try because it's late and I'm tired, and last thing I need to do is hurt myself before I have to go edit this video. But there it is. Part 1 was framing it. Part 2... Oh, no, I thought it was... It's just this part. Just over here. Just gotta... just fix those. Oh, wait. And then that gets pushed forward. Yeah, see, I gotta add a couple braces. I need to do those, but I don't want to run my skill saw or my table saw this late at night. Even downstairs in the basement, you can hear it and it's really loud, but... We got the basis of it. We have the foundations of a powder coating business in the garage. Yay, me. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I mean, I'm loving that. Everything is, once I get this stuff situated, which obviously, obviously we're just going to take this table and turn it back this way. I just needed access to finish up these walls, push that table over there, back over, and then theoretically should be able to roll the racks out of there into the booth, and then from the booth back to the rack, vice versa. Yeah, I guess try and devote a little extra time and money into powder coating and see if I can make some money in return. Invest that into the channel. More content, more fun. I guess I'll run you guys downstairs and show you the basement, even though I did just turn off these lights up here. Disappear into the darkness. And yeah, I mean, we're getting this area cleaned out. I still have to move powder coating gun and a stool and stuff upstairs. Getting all this moved. Got the press down here. Got all this, and like I said, pallets going away. Get a bunch of this stuff moved so that can slide back. That gives me more walking space through here. And then I'm undecided about bringing the TIG welder down here. Might leave it upstairs with the MIG. I don't know. We got to figure that one out. But I did just find the flashlight that I thought I lost. I did my alternator without this and used one of my crappy little Harbor Freight ones. So, yeah. Oh, almost dropped the camera because I don't even have no tripod, no nothing. I'm just holding it with my fingers. It's the end of the night. I'm going to bed. Enjoy me walking out into the darkness. Average Joe Builds. I'm out of here.